5-star hotel in Hong Kong na malapit sa Disneyland for only 7,100 pesos. From spacious rooms sa prime location at nasa baba nga lang nito ang MTR station at outlet mo. Para ka naka-jackpot dito sa Hong Kong. And here's the 8 reasons why you should book this. 1. Prime location. The hotel is located in Tung Chung. Nasa baba nito ang Tung Chung MTR station, 6 minutes away from Hong Kong International Airport. 2. Nearby famous attractions and shops. Kung ang pupuntahan mo ay mainly Disneyland, Ngong Ping 360 Cable Car, Cherry Blossom Park at Citygate Outlet. Ako, sakto to. Andito na ang station going to Ngong Ping 360 Cable Car. 10 minutes ride naman going to Disneyland. Walking distance naman sa Cherry Blossom Park. Ang baba nito ay ang Citygate Outlets, one of Hong Kong's largest outlet malls yan, featuring over 150 international brands with discounts ranging from 30 to 70% off. 3. Price. For a 5-star experience, you'll be surprised na hindi siya ganun kamahal compared to other luxury hotels in Hong Kong. So sulit, imagine 7,100 per night for a 5-star luxury hotel, lalo na if you will book this at Agoda and use my code RODIANAGODA for less 10%. Of course, ang rate ay depende sa season. 4. Quiet luxurious escape. The lobby is a statement. Blends in luxury, wellness, and eco-friendly design. Parang modern resort in the middle of the city. It has wellness zone like my 25-meter pool, jacuzzi, yoga load, shaded garden, walkways, and sunbeds. 5 spacious rooms, premium linens, and bathroom. The room is so spacious, starting at 26 square meter. Beds are ultra soft and comfy. Linens are so crisp, kaya sobrang sarap ng tulog. Plus the sunset view, ito pa lang super going-bawi na ako. I really love sunset. And at the bathroom, it feels like a spa. Plus made in MDX, brand ng toiletries. Wow, high-end. 6. Dining and bar offerings. Includes a sleek bar, cafe, and restaurant with a garden-facing setting. Breakfast, deli snacks, and room service available. They have a buffet spread that has international and Asian favorites. 7. Service excellence. Staff are super warm and attentive. They make you feel at home kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Madami din Pinoy dito, from staff to front desk general manager. Ang babait, promise, kabayan talaga. Lastly, 8. Free shuttle and convenience. May free shuttle papunta sa major spots like Disneyland, Airport. Winner, diba? Hassle-free travel, perfect for your Hong Kong trip. Always check their website para sa schedule ng shuttle service para ma-maximize mo. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to click the link below. Bye!